Mike has an important email to write. It is about a project at work. He has been thinking about it for a few days. There are a few things he needs to say. He sits down at his desk and opens his laptop. He starts to type. He writes everything he wants to say. He doesn't stop to think. He just keeps going. He finishes faster than he expected. He reads it from the top. It's all there. Every point is in the email, but it is very long. He opens AI and pastes in the email. He asks it to check the grammar and rewrite it. The AI works fast. In a few seconds, a clean new version appears on the screen. Mike reads it carefully. The grammar is correct. The sentences flow well. It looks good. He copies it and pastes it into his email draft. He reads it again from the top. It still looks good, but it is still too long. He needs it to be shorter. He goes back to the AI. He asks it to make the email more concise. The AI returns a new version quickly. Mike reads it. It is short now. Very short. Too short. He tries one more time. He gives the AI a target. 50% fewer words. This version is better. It is short and clear. It gets to the point. He copies it and pastes it into his draft. He reads it slowly from the beginning. Something doesn't feel quite right. The email is correct, but it doesn't sound like him. He changes a few words. He adds one sentence near the end. They are small changes, but they feel important. He wants it to sound like his own words. He is not sure why this matters so much. Using AI to help with writing is normal now, but he still feels a little shy about it. It is just an email. He should be able to write it himself. He reads it one last time. It sounds better now, more like something he would actually write. He takes a breath and presses send. He closes his laptop and goes to lunch.